Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression 4x squared minus 9 all over 2x minus 3 to its lowest terms. In this tutorial, we will break down the steps to simplify this complex fraction. Let's get started. First, we need to factor the numerator. The numerator is 4x squared minus 9. This is a difference of squares, which can be factored into 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. So, the expression 4x squared minus 9 becomes 2x plus 3. 2x minus 3. The denominator remains the same, which is 2x minus 3. Therefore, our expression is now 2x plus 3. 2x minus 3, divided by 2x minus 3. Now, let's move to the next step. Since our expression is 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, divided by 2x minus 3, we can simplify by canceling out the common factors. Here, the terms 2x minus 3 in the numerator and the denominator are the same. Whenever we have the same term in both the numerator and the denominator, they cancel each other out. So, we are left with 2x plus 3. Therefore, the rational expression 4x squared minus 9, divided by 2x minus 3, simplifies to 2x plus 3. This is the final step.